Greetings my dear students. Today let's discuss about another two tools of technical analysis, TRIN and Bullish Price Index. TRIN. TRIN is also known as Arms Index because it was developed by Richard W. Arms. And TRIN can be calculated by using the equation advancing issues divided by declining issues, whole divided by advancing volume divided by declining volume. Advancing issues means the number of stocks in the index that closed up on the day. Declining issues means number of stocks in the index that closed down on the day. And advancing volume is the total volume of advancing stocks. That means the total number of advancing stocks traded when index closed up on the day. And declining volume is the total volume of declining stocks. That means the total number of declining stocks traded when the index closed down on the day. Okay, then we can calculate TRIN by using the equation advancing issues divided by declining issues, whole divided by advancing volume divided by declining volume. Here with an example we can calculate TRIN. In the first case, the advancing issues are 1811 and declining issues are 1185. So the advancing issues divided by declining issues is equal to 1.53. And the advancing volume are 592 and declining volume is 384. So the advancing declining volume ratio is equal to 1.54, that is 592 divided by 384. Then we can calculate TRIN by dividing 1.53 by 1.54. Then the TRIN is equal to 0.99 in the first case, and in the second case advancing issues are 2275 and declining issues are 764. Then advancing declining ratio is equal to 2.98. That means 2275 divided by 764. Then advancing volume are 1176 and declining volume are 164. So the advancing declining volume ratio is equal to 7.17. That means 1176 divided by 164. Then the TRIN in the second case is equal to 0.42. That means 2.98 divided by 7.17. And in the third case, advancing issues are 405 and declining issues are 2652. Then advancing volume are 80 and declining volume are 1569. Then we can calculate TRIN by using the equation advancing issues divided by declining issues, whole divided by advancing volume divided by declining volume. Then 405 divided by 2652 whole divided by 80 divided by 1569, that's equal to 3. 3 is the TRIN in the case of third situation. Okay, now we can just look at the interpretation of TRIN. Generally, a rising TRIN is bearish and a falling TRIN is bullish. In the case of other tools of technical analysis, we know that if it is rising, that is bullish, and if it is falling, it is normally bearish. But here, a rising TRIN is bearish and a falling TRIN is bullish. When a TRIN is equal to 1 indicates a standoff. Here, in the first situation, TRIN is almost equal to 1. So here we can interpret a standoff situation. And a TRIN moves above 1.2 indicates oversold, and the TRIN declines below 0.8 indicates overbought. Here in the second situation, TRIN is equal to 0.42. So it is below 0.8. So it indicates overbought situation. Overbought means demand is more, price is high. So we will sell the security. And in the case of the third situation, TRIN is equal to 3. That is, it moves above 1.2. That means that is oversold. Then we will buy the security. Okay, oversold means supply is more, so the price will be less, so we will buy the security. Okay, and we can see a TRIN here. When it is above 1.2, it is oversold, and when it is below 0.8, it is overbought. Okay, and the next one is bullish price index. Bullish price index can be calculated by using the equation number of stocks in a given group that are currently trading with point and figure by signals divided by the total number of stocks in that group. That means the number of stocks in a given group which have bullish tendency divided by the total number of stocks in that group. That is the equation for calculating bullish price index. Okay, and the bullish price index fluctuates between 0% and 100%. In its most basic form, the bullish percentage index favors the bulls when above 50% and the bears when below 50%. And its interpretation is that bullish price levels that are above 70% is considered as overbought, and bullish price index that lies below 30% are considered as oversold. When it is overbought, we will sell the security. When it is oversold, we will buy the security. So these are all about TRIN and bullish price index. Thank you. Sorry, you can see a bullish price index chart here. When it is above 70%, it is bullish tendency, and when it is below 30%, it is considered as bearish tendency. Okay, thank you.